Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Energetic. This vehicle features a 1.4 petrol eHybrid engine producing 218 PS. The vehicle also comes equipped with a 6-speed DSG automatic transmission, finished here in a lovely two-tone colour combination of Reflex silver over energetic orange. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, we'll find a set of the IQ LED matrix headlights as well as a set of front parking sensors. Down below we'll find a set of the 18-inch Toshiba alloy wheels, and the vehicle features privacy glass on the rear windows. Further helping you park and manoeuvre, this example features a rear-view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the electric tailgate and taking a look into the boot area, there's a fair amount of storage space which can be increased by moving the rear passenger bench forward. In the back of the vehicle there is a total of 5 seats, providing comfort on even the longest of journeys. Helping your passengers relax in comfort are these seats paired with a Harman Kardon sound system, and a glass panoramic sunroof allows plenty of natural sunlight into the vehicle. The two front seats have a heated function as well as 2 armrests each, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This allows you to connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or even listen to any of your favourite DAB radio stations. Throughout the centre console we'll find a few charging points as well as cup holders, and for the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel which is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Energetic. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.